How to make drinks with watermelon. Go.
Oh, a sugar
First
man.
try.
Clean. And why is it yellow?
They're in season right now. They're the best.
This
They're
is not.
cultured.
This is not a watermelon.
It's better.
This is not a watermelon.
No, sure it is not.
This is a
It's
cantaloupe.
a squash.
No, it's
This
not.
is
It's
squash.
delicious. It's called like sugar kisses. But you should be like, first of all, oops. Like, I
You're
don't know.
in it.
How does TikTok work?
This
is
is
this
not
still
just-
happening?
First of
I've
all,
shot movies with less editing.
This is a squash, and then you just want to do. Don't worry, Lisa. I'll buy
Don't
you
waste
more.
all my vodka.
I'll buy you more.
No, you
You're
won't.
just gonna sprinkle a little on. Oh,
I'll sprinkle. Well,
we don't have the sprinkles.
now it's all over the floor.
What are you talking about? It's fine. It's fine. Then you just take some watermelon sugar. Wow.
Oh, wow.
And then you're fine. You drink it.
Okay.
So good. So good.
Wow. That was amazing.
Sing a song.
I just want to love you, baby.
This is sing watermelon sugar.
Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. By the way, I faked that. I didn't taste anything. Was it believable that I wasn't drinking anything?
Oh my God, you loved it. It was so good. I know. Ah, Hollywood.
I don't know how to shoot these things because I don't know how they edit. I don't know what.
I'll stab it to you at the juice.
No, with the knife.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's okay. I'm gonna
Yeah,
put it
and then
down.
actually pour liquid in it so I could taste it, and maybe like get a straw that's metal.
I mean, like, like chop it up. Like, so it's
Do you want to show
You
me?
do it.
Switch.
Like this, just to get the juices going.
Oh, the
Yeah.
juices.
Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high.
Yeah, now here we
Gorgeous.
go. Vodka.
Yeah.
Add
Fill
the
her up.
Okay,
vodka.
all right.
Yes.
Yeah, now we put them on top.
Oh.
Just make it pretty, and then
Yeah, well.
Yes.
these are a little
Yeah. Can we
flaccid.
get other straws?
No.
please?
Honestly, Hollywood, work with what we have.
I'm not getting anything.
No,
in my
because the
straw.
straws are broken. So just if we had a straw.
Is it pure vodka? Let me try.
And sprinkles.
Is it watermelon sugar high?
It's delicious, actually.
Careful with that.
It's good.
Oh.
That's trust. It's trust right there.